This is on the back of page 67. I wanted to throw a couple more examples in here of trapezoids along with us going over the notes today so that we will do the odds together so that you can do the evens for homework. So I just want to add some more trapezoid. So I'm just going to write more trapezoid examples here to throw in your notes. So this is on the back of page 67. In your notes. So first off, I want to start by just giving you another example of a trapezoid. This is going to go down 3 blue lines. You're going to trace over a ways. You're going to go up about 1 blue line and just a little bit more from that, and then you're going to make this connect back to where we started here. So that needs to connect back here like so. So we've got this drawing here. I'm going to give you 5 feet, 9 feet, and 3 feet. And I want you to find the area of the trapezoid. So the first thing we need to remember is the formula, area of a trapezoid. And the more times we write this and do this, the easier it's going to get. That is parentheses base 1 plus base 2, times it by the height, divide by 2. So we're going to write it down below with the blanks, parentheses blank plus blank times blank divided by 2. Now you should be able to fill in the blanks. Your bases, the two that you add together, are parallel. So if you show me parallel, that would be these two. So our bases, this is base 1 and this would be base 2 if you had to label them. So you've got that, which means this is your height. And I did forget height. Always they'll tell you a right angle, and there was a right angle there. So it's also a right angle here. So that's your height. So that helps you fill in 5 and 3 are your bases. 9 is your height. 5 plus 3 is 8, and you still have to take 8 times 9 and then divide by 2. Some people see 8 divided by 2 immediately as 4, and then you just take 4 times 9, and that works as well. 4 times 9 is going to give us 36. How do we label our answer? Feet squared, because it is area. So it's just another example of trapezoids, because I'm going to have you do an assignment on trapezoids, and I really want you to feel comfortable seeing a trapezoid and how do we use the formula. So the next example I want to do, I'm going to trace this blue line. I'm going to go straight down on this side 2 blue lines. This is a diagonal over, and then this just comes back to here. So this one here has got a right angle in the corner. We've got 10.6 centimeters on the top, 20 centimeters on the bottom, 8 centimeters here on the right. And I'm asking you to find the area of this trapezoid. Start by writing the formula and filling in your blanks. Area of a trapezoid equals base 1 plus base 2 times the height, divide by 2. You're ready to fill in your blanks. So your area is going to equal blank plus blank times blank divided by 2. Remember, your bases, the ones you add together, are parallel. So if you were to show me with your hands, you should be showing me this. The 10.6 and the 20 are both parallel to each other. So this is like your base 1, this is like your base 2, which means this is your height. So then you just fill in your numbers, 10.6 and 20, and then your height is 8. 10.6 plus 20 gives us 30.6. You have to take that times 8 and then divide by 2. Some people want to take 30.6 and divide by 2 immediately on their calculator. That gives them 15.3, and then you still have to take that times your 8. And so as you continue to write this coming down, your answer would be 122.4 centimeters squared. Do you have to divide by 2 here? No, you could take 30.6 times 8 and then divide by 2. You're still going to get your answer of 122.4 centimeters squared. The other thing we did today for our notes, we did the odd problems from the 10.2 worksheet. So your homework today is going to be the evens from the 10.2 worksheet. So pay attention to what we did on the odds, and that'll help you with the evens on the 10.2 worksheet. I also want you to do the evens from the trapezoid worksheet, and that is a front and back. That way you're getting lots of examples of trapezoids. You can use your calculators. You just need to show work use calculators, show work. You need to make sure you're writing these formulas and then filling in the blanks just like we did in our